not just status updates. Like, this is a deep integration between the fundamental transactions of your company. The transaction is kind of, as Jim Gray defined a transaction. Now, the reason that we were able to get this done so quickly is we were already auditing all of our transactions. In fact, we have 3.5 billion custom object records on over half a million custom objects that our customers have created. And we have to keep audit trails for all of these transactions, especially with banks and insurance companies that we run like Aon and others. And because we have those audit trails on our objects, basically those are just very pretty audit trails. They look like Facebook, they look like Twitter, but we're really just exposing the fundamental audit trails, and then we're doing something else. We're providing that linkage between, the context, the apps, and the people. So that when I go into an object, it's not just saying I was created, I was read, I was updated, I deleted, which is the CRUD, characteristics of a database transaction. But then I can say, oh no, this means this. So like if it's an account object or account table, I can say this account is doing great. They've adopted all our technology. Basically, I can add metadata. I'm adding metadata on top of that. I feel myself that I'm a slave to email, to Outlook. I feel like that many times I'm like having to constantly deal with emails, but then my content management system is its own island of data, and then my enterprise apps are their own islands of data. And I think that what we see with Facebook and Twitter is that we can provide a user interface that is provide meaning to these enterprise users of all of this information. And somehow, by bringing it together in this synthesis, we can take it another level. The other really cool thing is when you saw with the filters, is that because I'm basically able to provide queries on top of huge amounts of data, but also because there's an API that you can now write to feed all of the systems as well. You don't just have to use our managed framework, but there's an application program interface that you can plug into. And if you're a data provider, and there's so many great data providers, whether you're a content provider or whether you're you're providing stock quotes or news stories or credit information or whatever, you can plug into this. Now the power of that is, let's say I'm managing an account object, right?